Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to tell you about top 10 health and fitness tips. Sure, here are 13 health tips for you. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning optimally. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals to ensure you get all the necessary nutrients. 3. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to improve your cardiovascular health, strength, and flexibility. 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest and rejuvenate. 5. Manage stress. Practice stress reduction techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature to help lower stress levels. 6. Limit processed foods. Minimize your intake of processed and junk foods high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. 7. Quit smoking. If you smoke, take steps to quit. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable diseases like cancer and heart disease. 8. Limit alcohol consumption. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Limit your intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. 9. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly, especially before eating or touching your face, to prevent the spread of germs and illness. 10. Wear sunscreen. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, even on cloudy days. 11. Maintain a healthy weight. Aim to maintain a healthy weight through a combination of balanced diet and regular exercise to reduce your risk of obesity-related diseases. 12. Stay connected. Foster healthy relationships with friends and family members to support your mental and emotional well-being. 13. Schedule regular health checkups. Visit your healthcare provider for regular checkups and screenings to detect any health issues early and prevent them from worsening. Remember, these tips are general guidelines. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your specific needs and health. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to tell you about top 10 health and fitness tips. Maintaining your health and beauty is an essential aspect of leading a fulfilling life. By adopting a holistic approach to self-care, you can enhance your well-being and radiate confidence. Here are 13 health and beauty tips that encompass both physical and mental wellness, helping you feel and look your best. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Begin your journey by ensuring you drink an adequate amount of water daily. Hydration is key for clear skin, proper digestion, and overall vitality. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 2. Balanced diet. Nourish your body with a diverse range of whole foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats to support radiant skin, strong hair, and optimal energy levels. Number 3. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to boost circulation, improve muscle tone, and maintain a healthy weight. Whether it's cardio, strength training, yoga, or a combination, find what suits you best. Number 4. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is vital for cell regeneration and mental well-being. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Number 5. Skincare routine. Establish a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and sunscreen application. Tailor it to your skin type for optimal results. Number 6. Stress management. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Managing stress contributes to both mental clarity and healthier skin. No. 7. Oral hygiene. Don't neglect your oral health. Brush and floss regularly, and consider using mouthwash to maintain a healthy smile and prevent bad breath. Number 8. Sun protection. Shield your skin from harmful UV rays by applying sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily. This prevents premature aging and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Number 9. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive outlook on life. Your mental attitude can impact your physical appearance and overall demeanor. Practice self-love and self-acceptance. Number 10. Hygiene practices. Maintain personal hygiene by showering regularly, washing your hair as needed, and keeping your nails clean. These simple habits contribute to an overall polished look. Number 11. Stay socially connected. Nurture your relationships and stay connected with friends and family. Meaningful connections provide emotional support and contribute to your overall happiness. No. 12. Stay curious. Keep learning and exploring new things. A curious mind stays engaged and enthusiastic, which reflects positively on your well-being and interactions with others. Number 13. Professional care. Seek professional help when needed. Consult dermatologists, hairstylists, and other experts to address specific health and beauty concerns. Outro. Remember, health and beauty are interconnected aspects of your life. By adopting these 13 tips into your routine, you're investing in your physical and mental well-being. Embrace these practices with dedication, and over time, you'll notice the positive transformation in both how you feel and how you present yourself to the world.